welcome back. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. I know I am. Well, it's about to be better in a little bit, but as you know, thank you for checking another video of mine. We're about to do another install on my car, and this is something I've been wanting to do for a while, but I just kind of been pushing it on and on. I actually helped a friend of mine, Kenny, did it on his car too a while back, a few months ago, but now it's my turn, and I'm going to try to do it all by myself. I know you can, but it's gonna be time consuming, but it is what it is. It's gonna look dope. I'm gonna tweak it up a little bit, little things to make it more personal to me. Other than that, it's gonna look dope. So let me show you what I have right now. You know, this mod, a bunch of people have done it already, so it's not really nothing new. I just been wanting to do on my car for a while. I just kind of been pushing it off, but no, I did it. It's about to be summer. I have some free time now. I'm trying to make more content for this channel, so I'm just trying to keep it rolling. I told myself that I'm gonna try to upload at least 2 videos a month. Well, at least 2 videos. I'm gonna try to, but let me show y'all what I got. Okay, so I don't know if you can see. It says LED fiber lights. Basically, I'm gonna do the Royce Starlight, or I'm gonna do the Royce Starlight headliner. You have your I guess your controller in your box that does the lights and everything, and then you have the fiber optic wires, and then you have a choice of the wall adapter or the cigarette plug. The kit that I have comes with 350 strings of lights. I wanted more, so I bought some extra ones. I bought, I think, another 100, so in total it's about 450. But also the other one I bought this is, I think this is 6 feet or 7 feet, something like that. The other one I bought is about 9 to 10 feet, so it's a little bit longer because I want to make sure that I can reach to the front, because I want to do the whole roof. I'm not just doing the back, I'm doing the front too. So I want to make sure it reaches the front, and then I'm going to use this mainly for the back and all that stuff. Technically, the starting phase or stage of version 4 of my car, it's the first phase. Instead of me wanting to do all of it at once, I'm trying to do a little bit at a time. So whenever the big stuff comes in, it's gonna be bomb. But yeah, I have the cigarette lighter adapter. It has 4-port with the USB plug and all that stuff. And then I have the cigarette 12-foot extension. I'm gonna try to run it. I'm gonna put my box in the very back, and I'm gonna run the cord all the way to the front, and then I'm gonna hook it up to this. Go over some of the parts that we're gonna have to take off the camera. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use the light to kind of point, because I'm holding the camera and the light at the same time. We're gonna take off. There's a few screws here. There's this clip there. We're gonna take the light off. We're gonna have to take off the door handles. There's the caps, and then there should be a prong that you can just squeeze and pull out. We're gonna do that on all sides. Take off the this part right here too. Should be fairly easy, just a little tedious. Same thing for the mirror over there. Some clips. Same thing, door handles. We're gonna take off the pillar here. Just hold on by some clip. You gotta pop it out. Be scared. We're gonna take off the panel here to get that off, which means we have to take this bottom part off. And there's a couple screws here and there, clips. Back there too. We're gonna do the dome light there. Then we're gonna take off, unplug the mirror here. Other than that, it's just tedious stuff. Now
this, gonna have to remove the whole cover, but we'll figure that out in a little bit. Okay, so I kinda got this off. So remove this bolt, remove the cover.
bolts right here. And you can see, take out the light, there's a clip, you push it from the very back and you turn it to the side and you pull it out. Same here, there's a cover on both sides, pry it out, and then there's two little prongs here that you can squeeze them and then pull them out. Now for the side pillars, I pull out from the bottom and then pop it out. It's just holding my clips at the very bottom, and then there should be two screws that's on, well, I have mine flipped right now. You unbolt those and then you pull it down and then it should come off. So like I said, I'm not trying to go in depth because there's other videos out there. I'm just trying to go as fast as I can right now. So sorry. I'm shooting on my phone because it's more wide. So sorry for the quality, but overall, door the old crap handles, pulling off the pillar here, the A pillar here. All I have to do is take this off and I think unplug the mirror. And here, well, what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to show you a little trick. There's this little black tab right here. So when you're doing it, there's this little black tab that's holding it all together on the corner. Now to take it off, there's two prongs on each side. You push this one out and push both of them, and then you pull out. It should be able to. Don't try to take it off from this thing. You can unplug it from the car itself. You can see there's two prongs right here, one here and one on the bottom. So yeah, once you do that, you're able to kind of loosen the A pillar. What I did to make it even better for me is because you're gonna have all these wire connection to the headliner that you need to unplug if you want to fully remove the headliner out. So what I did was I took the edge trim here and then the side here to loosen it up, and then what you can do is you kind of just pull a little bit and it'll come out from the slot right here. And it'll be easy. Now you have all the room to disconnect this one, and then this one. Once you do all that, then you're able to take off the rest, and then you don't have to worry about being in the car while doing the Starlight, because I did the last time when I was helping my friend and it wasn't fun. But the main reason is we weren't able to figure out how to take this off. Now I know too, so this will make it way easier for me. I can take it off. The headliner is down, completely off. And yes, I would recommend doing the extra step on this A pillar here to take it off. So once you do that, when you unplug all the plugs here, there should be two black clips, I guess, holding the steel wire to the A pillar. It's just normal clips here, the top and bottom. Just squeeze one of them and pull, and it should come out pretty easy. And slowly kind of go around the edges from either outside in or inside out, but slowly, and it should pop out. Most of them are like this Velcro kind of thing to hold on, and the rest on the outside are clips. But just be careful with them. Other than that, it would start to slowly come down. Now, this is way better. So I marked most of the holes already, and I have a total about 450. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a bunch of dots everywhere, or it's kind of random. But I have this thing right here. What I'm gonna try to do different. What I'm trying to do right now is do a Cambodian flag right in the middle. Not big. I mean, it's not too big, but it's also not too small. All the holes up here. On the other side too, but now the the long process part is punching all many holes later, I am finally done. I have to just go back and double check, make sure everything is secure, and I glued every one, but I have to go back and double check, make sure, and then once that's done, I'm gonna put this back up, tuck it, whatever. I mean, it doesn't have to be too clean because it's gonna be behind, you know, anyway, and hopefully it's gonna be a while until I take it down again. But yeah, the hard part is done. It's pretty tedious and takes time consuming, but hopefully, well, not hopefully, I know it'll be worth it at the end. Sorry, I have to record this on my phone because my camera died. But after a long mini holes and stuff later, I'm done. I have a few wires that I took in on the side here, but other than that, everything's done. Most of the panels are on, door panels, all that stuff. I got it, the power to my SIG plug here, right here, and I'm about to turn it on for the first time. Thank you for checking out another video of mine. Please like, comment, subscribe. I got some other plans coming up for the car. Sorry, I can't help from staring at this roof right now. But thank you. Shout out to all my subscribers. You know, it's just a number, but still, for everyone who clicked on the subscribe button and wanted to see me grow, thank you. So, till next time, deuces.